Okay, EAS report. Okay, did not expect that to happen. Okay, what is it? Severe thunderstorm.
County in south central Nebraska, northeastern Webster County in south central Nebraska, northern Knuckles County in south central Nebraska, southeastern Adams County in south central Nebraska, southwestern York County, Hamilton County in south central Nebraska, western Fillmore County in south central Nebraska, southwestern Merritt County in central Nebraska until 11 p.m.
8 counties.
17 p.m.
Dude.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line
Oh my.
from Aurora to Harborton near Lawrence, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
Jeez.
Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
70 miles per hour.
Indicated threat. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Clay Center, Hampton, Fairfield, Dewey's,
Dude.
around 10:25 p.m. Sarahville around 10:30 p.m. Sutton and Henderson around 10:35 p.m. Other locations
I literally can't.
severe thunderstorms include Edgar. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 318 and 302. T3. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Fillmore, and Merritt.
Holy moly. Dude.
Severe thunderstorm.